Hello my pinies, welcome back to another daily vlog. In this vlog I'm going to be sharing you how I spend my ordinary days as a Nigerian girl living in Lagos. The first thing I decided to do in this vlog is to take down my mini Christmas tree. I know it's crazy, it's February and my Christmas tree was still up, so I just decided to take it down and start afresh as we're going into the month of March. My pioneers, it's really crazy because it's already almost March and the year just started. What is happening? Time is flying so fast. So I'm just putting it in this box just to keep it until next time. I'll be needing it, but hopefully next time it will be much bigger. I also use the opportunity to just clean up my room. In case you're watching from outside Nigeria, that is a native Nigerian drum. And due to the fact that Hamatan has been going crazy, my whole room and space has been so dusty. From my plants to my art, it's just a big no-no. So I took the time out just to make sure everything was clean and dust free. Because at the same time, it is also allergy season, so make sure you're protecting yourself. In a few seconds, I'm about to officially welcome you to this vlog, so please do enjoy. Hello everybody, Emem Ene here. If this is your first time on my channel, you're welcome. But if you're a returning subscriber, I love you so much. So in today's video, we're going to be having a daily vlog, but I just wanted to come here and welcome you to another vlog. And I wanted to thank everyone who watched my last video. Thank you so much for the support. I don't even know what to say. I'm just grateful people are tapping in and enjoying my content more now. It has motivated me so much to get on my feet, to vlog, to edit and to upload. It has boosted my confidence so much, and I just wanted to come and say thank you so much. I appreciate it. And if you enjoyed my last vlog, then you're gonna love this one as well. And also wanted to say, if you found me through my YouTube shorts, comment down in the comment section by saying hello, hi. I'm like going crazy with the YouTube shorts, so if you're looking for me before I upload, I'm always uploading every single day on my YouTube shorts. I actually enjoy doing YouTube shorts so much now, so thank you so much if you found me through YouTube shorts, and thank you YouTube for creating shorts because it's so helpful to my channel. So far so good. So my ponies, I just wanted to welcome you to yet another cozy, chill, relaxing daily vlog. It's basically just a accumulation of my ordinary days living as a Nigerian girl in Lagos. I hope you enjoy, and I cannot wait to see you at the end of this vlog. Good morning my ponies, good morning. So today is Wednesday and my girl just came. She just started this morning. I ran through the bathroom and just had to you know, get ready for 7 whole days of pain. But yeah, today is an editing day for me since I won't be able to film because I'm a little crampy and it just started. So for me, the first and the second days are the most hectic and crampy. So on these 2 days, I love to just relax, drink tea, feed my cravings, and just chill. And then from the third day, I feel so much better. But yeah, my pioneers, I just want to say good morning. Have a blessed day today. Yeah. Try. Say hi. Baby. Chai. Chai girl. Mommy. She hates the camera, of course. My sister was making fun of me that we content creators have the same aesthetic breakfast, which is a yogurt bowl, avocado toast, and all of that. Yes, I cannot lie, I love my yogurt bowls, and I make mine without the granola. I just substitute it for some regular cornflakes. I put some sliced banana in there and some whole almond nuts, and it tastes divine. Let me know if you try it out, if you like it or think it's meh. So after having breakfast, I went ahead to just reply comments on my YouTube. I've been getting a lot of comments on my YouTube, and I'm so happy and thankful for each and everybody who takes out time in their day to just write me sweet words of encouragement and all of that. And guess who's always by my side? Yes, my trusty little helper, China. She is never out of my sight. She's basically my shadow. I feel like I should have named her Shadow. Because whenever you see look around, China is there. If this is your first time watching any of my vlogs, please make sure you hit that subscribe button, like, and also drop me a comment. I love reading comments from all around the world, just being nice and sweet. So this is a short story of why you should never eat on your bed. I was having some homemade donuts and a cup of coffee because I just needed to have something sweet. Little did I know that I was going to make a huge mess and give myself so much more work to do. As you can see, this is 5 seconds later. I spilled the whole cup of coffee on my brand new fresh sheets. I'm really angry. At this point, I was just like, okay, we're over it. Time to throw it in the washer. So I ripped off the bed sheets and the pillowcase and I threw them right into the washer. So this is much later in the day. I was just making my bed yet again. And of course, like I said, my trusty sidekick is always there with me. So basically, we're making the bed together and she just wanted to say hi. She hates the camera, by the way. So while we make my bed, I just wanted to chip in the fact that dollar is now almost 2,000 naira. The exchange rate currently in Nigeria is just crazy. It's affecting families, it's affecting businesses, it's basically affecting everything. Honestly, I just hope for the best and I pray that things normalize and get better with my country, Nigeria, because it is crazy. Did you know that the name Deborah, which is my second name, translates to the word bee? My mom sends me honey every month from Uyo, Akwa Ibom State, because I do not take white sugar anymore. So we're just going to be transferring it into this glass jar, and I enjoy doing this process because it is just so therapeutic to me. And it tastes so delicious. There's something I noticed about raw honey versus the ones we buy at the supermarket. They just don't taste the same. And I also got this cute honey dipper. It's just the cutest thing. And we're all done. I have half a bottle left, so whenever I'm done with this one in the jar, I'll just do another refill. The second day of my period is the worst by far when it comes to cramps and just feeling groggy. I'm trying to make myself comfy. I took down my blinds, I got really cozy in my duvet, and of course, China is here again, consoling her mommy. I turned off the lights because I love my lights. They're just so warm and they just make me feel so cozy. I double up my pillow and then put my hot water bottle on my belly because that just helps me feel much better.
He's saying that he's not done. Well, you see that I know my audience.
You do. I've had my hair for about 3 weeks now and it was due for a refresh. So I got my younger sister to help me dip it in hot water once more just so that it looks a little bit better. I plan on taking it down this weekend, but I just wanted to create some content with it. We're just having our girls chat and it was so funny. She was cracking me up. I love spending time with my sisters. They are my best friends in the world. And you guys, how come nobody told me about this brush? This brush is a lifesaver. It's a detangler and it just got out all the knots off my hair. I did another braid refresh on my Instagram and my YouTube shorts, so you can check that out if you're interested on knowing exactly the products I use. And yeah, my pinies, mousse is the last step just to lock in all of the hard work I've done. If you're really interested to see me rock this hair and all the looks I slayed out with this hair, please make sure you follow me over on Instagram. I post every single day. Cousin made this banging egusi soup and wheat swallow. It was just so delicious. I couldn't even wait to eat it. Like, I was going crazy with this soup. Let me know in the comment section what your best soup is from Nigeria. For me, it's atama soup. followed by afang, which comes from my state, Akwa Ibom State. Allow me to introduce you to Emem Ene, the mixologist, cocktail specialist. So I had a bottle of soju just sitting around in my room, and I decided to make a soju inspired cocktail. I did some googling around and I found this recipe. You need some soju, freshly squeezed pineapple juice, citrus juice, some sprigs of rosemary, and a slice of pineapple just for the decoration and all of that. And as you can see, I'm just gonna let you watch me make this cocktail because it was divine. It was aesthetically pleasing to look at. It tasted wonderful in my mouth. Listen, everything was A1. All I'm doing here is just massaging the rosemary sprigs just to release the natural oils, and that's all it takes. A slice of pineapple on the rim, and yeah, we don't need to go to a restaurant. Being an introverted ambivert has really opened up my eyes, and it's not really easy just being at home. So I found amazing and fun ways to just spice up being at home so I don't feel like I'm losing out. So I served my soju cocktail with some chips. I was having such a good time. I felt like I was at the bar enjoying a freshly made cocktail and just chatting away with my friends that I do not have. Anyways, I did that and I called it a night. Let's go get our nails done. I haven't had my nails done in months. I stopped getting my nails done because my nail beds were just so damaged. So I decided to give myself a break from getting my nails done. Now that my nail beds are back to normal, I'm going for something very short because I just cannot do it with long nails because I'm currently on a consistency journey on my socials, so I do not need any hindrance that long nails are gonna give me. I got something nice, short, and sweet, so I'll be able to edit my videos both on my laptop and my phone. I went for something pink because pink is literally one of my favorite colors ever since I was a little girl. So I decided to go for some pink French tips, and these are the results. So cute, so classy, so clean, and so pink. I also got my toes done pink as well, and I called it a night. Luckily for me, getting home, my cousin made this bomb fried rice, fried plantain, and barbecue chicken. Oh, so delicious. So thank you, my pinies, for spending my ordinary days with me as a Nigerian girl living in Lagos. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, like, share, and drop me a comment. Bye.